Is your Porsche front trunk putting you at risk of becoming like Marie Antoinette? I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So to keep the front trunk up, you need new front trunk struts. What you'll need is a screwdriver, something to hold the trunk up, and of course, the new front trunk struts. There are two struts, one on each side, and you'll have to replace both of them. There are also trunks on the back trunk. We're only going to replace the front trunk. Trunk? Is it frunk or trunk? Anyways, the front trunk. First thing is you'll need to use a screwdriver or some kind of stick. I'm using a breaker bar to pry up this trunk and keep it up. We're going to take off the struts, and especially the first one you do, you're going to need to keep it up so it doesn't come down and cut off your head. Now I brought this kit on Amazon, it costs about 20 bucks, and you get two of the front trunk struts. You also get this plastic that it comes in. This is handy because you'll lose clips potentially when you take them off. First step I do is put this plastic right over where the clips can fall. Next thing is take the old screwdriver, and there is a clip on the top and one on the bottom. There's a little divot in there, so you just take the screwdriver, it's not a very big one, you put it in the hole and kind of pry that clip off. There's one of them. As you can see, the plastic helped maintain it, and then we do the same on the top. So once we have those pried off, you should be able to work it off. Sometimes they stick on one side, so you might have to work it back and forth a little bit. There we go. Now we've got both of those off. So now, to take this off, you might have to lift up a little bit on the trunk or the frunk, whatever you want to call it, and you just kind of work it out of the ball joints. Next step is we replace it with our new strut. The strut just fits right in here, and then you have to twist the top to make sure they both go in. You may have to lift up a little bit on the trunk to make sure it goes in as well, and you just kind of firmly push it in. And that's it. You do it on each side. I did it on one side, I'd already done it on the other side, so now we've got new front trunk struts. Now you do need to be careful. When I pulled it off, I kind of cut myself, so I've got all this blood rushing down my finger, so I'm gonna have to go get a Band-Aid. Thanks for watching. Go down in the comments and comment whether you found this helpful or anything we can improve on this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe, make sure to share and like. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. All there's left to do now is drive.